The first one is research and development, and this field of expertise is related to the development of products in a lab or pilot scale. Most often, the job requirements asks for master doctorates because a high level of academic ability is required. The second one is operations. As a chemical process engineer working in operations, your main duty is to improve and optimize process. And because of that, your main goals are to increase productivity and reduce losses of the company. Finally, the nicest field of expertise for chemical engineers is plant design. As a chemical process engineer working with plant design, your main goal is to achieve the scope, cost, and schedule of a project. We are responsible for doing the designing, sizing, selection of equipment and process, but in an industrial scale. If we get these three fields of expertise, you can verify that the research and development are responsible for developing a new product in a lab and pilot scale. And once it is consolidated, the plant design team will do the design, building, and erection of a plant for industrial production. And the operations team are responsible for operating the plant in the most efficient way. So, based on the different characteristics or goals of each field of expertise, you can expect to need to have different expertise for your background. If you want to work with research and development, you must have different skills comparing to operations. If you want to work with operations, you will have other set of skills that not necessarily are important for research and development. And the same for plant design.